Fight against COVID-19, Cincinnati Children's Hospital preparing to host its first vaccine clinic for the newly approved age group.
This allows kids as young as 6 months old to receive their first dose. And WLWT News 5's Meredith Stutz live outside of Children's with how these clinics will work. And Meredith, demand pretty high.
Yes, it is. Good morning to you, Kelly. Cincinnati Children's Hospital plans to host one of those clinics here behind me at its main campus on Burnett Avenue, and then another clinic tomorrow at its Liberty campus. And like you mentioned, demand is so high that it plans to administer hundreds of vaccines to kids, so much so that both clinics are already full, but it plans to host more clinics even as soon as next week. Now, we do know that Children's plans to administer that Pfizer vaccine for kids ages 6 months up to 5 years old. Now, as a reminder, the Pfizer vaccine for this pediatric group is given in a 3-dose series. So what that means is that the first 2 shots occur 3 weeks apart, and that third is given 8 weeks after that. It's a smaller dose size than the adult or even the older kid dose sizes. Now, logistically, because there are kids that are just so young of age here, Children's decided to host patients and their families in private clinic rooms versus having everybody in a big open space. Children's believes it has enough supply to meet the demand and believes the vaccines themselves provide adequate protection from COVID-19 and its variants. Children's encourages people to talk to their pediatricians first before making decisions, but also addresses those who may be hesitant.
We appreciate how seriously families take the decision to vaccinate their children and how much concern there has been around safety on both sides of this equation. Safety of the vaccine, risk of COVID for young children. I can't think of a pediatrician who hasn't vaccinated their child in every age group. We are the first to line up and do this. And if you have a good, trusting relationship with your pediatrician, then I think, and you ask that question, what would you do with your child? We all say we would vaccinate them.
If you are interested, more clinics are going to be held next Wednesday here at the Burnett Avenue campus and also next Thursday at that Liberty campus. So this is important to note, everyone. You do need an appointment for these clinics with Cincinnati Children's Hospital. Walk-ins will not be welcome. Reporting live, Meredith Stutz, WLWT News 5.
Now, Meredith, since children's clinics are full this week, what can families do if they don't want to wait?
Yeah, understandable. You do have some options, maybe even this morning if you want to get that squared away. Cincinnati Children's says to check in with your pediatrician's office as well as pharmacies to see if they have openings for those vaccines for kids as young, again, as 6 months old. And also to consider that, hey, if you want to get a vaccine but maybe you don't have the transportation to get over here to the campuses, to contact Children's Hospital to see what kind of options you are having, that they can help you get a vaccine if you want them, but also says that coming up in the near future that they do plan to host community events to help bring those vaccines to people. Back to you.
All right, Meredith Stutz reporting for us live this morning. Meredith, thank you. Developing on WLWT, the Supreme Court's ruling to